Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sucheta Jairam, Ayurvedic physician from Bengaluru. I would like to share my few experiences attending YCB L3 course, that is Yoga Teacher and Evaluator course at the esteemed institution, the Ashtanga Institute of Yoga and Naturopathy, Mumbai. We had in this course both theory and practical online classes. The theory classes were conducted by founder director of this institution, Dr. Sandeep Dongre sir. Here I would like to quote a verse from Bhagavad Gita, Yad yada charati shreshtaha tadat e devetaro janaha sa yad pramanam kurute lokas tadanu vartate, which means whatever action is performed by a great man, common man follow in his footsteps, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary act, all the world pursues. He is considered as a good teacher. Similarly, Dr. Sandeep Dongre sir is setting standards by performing world records in yoga and pranayama year by year. He is also a wonderful teacher. We had classes, theory classes on yoga, pranayama, mudras, bandhas with all the classical references. We also had a guest lecture for anatomy, physiology classes which were taken by professional doctors with all practical approach. Sir also provided all the PPTs, recorded videos and a guidebook for us as a study material. This guidebook is YCB guidebook. This is for YCB, that is L1 Yoga Protocol Instructor, which is written by Dr. Sandeep Dongre sir. This is a book we all referred so that we could clear our exams without any fear and perfect. We could read it very perfectly. Coming to our practical classes were conducted by a great teacher, Mrs. Vibha ma'am. She is a very good teacher and a humble person. She used to take us classes on asana, pranayama, mudras and bandhas. She used to teach all the asanas and pranayamas stepwise, and she used to correct us as if we are attending a single class with her, direct class. She used to teach like that, and till we attain a proper pose, she used to correct us in every step. And we also had a special class on Shat Kriyas, performing Shat Kriyas, especially Vamana and Jalaneti and Shankha Prakshalana, so that we could perform it without any hesitation or fear during our exams. So each and every theory and practical classes were ended with questionnaires, where all our doubts were cleared. After completing our syllabus, we also had mock theory exam and mock practical exam also. So these mock tests increased and boost our confidence so that we could give our best in exam. So I would like to suggest this institute, Ashtanga Institute of Yoga and Naturopathy, for all of you, those who want to do any course in Yoga and Naturopathy. Please contact this institute and also Dr. Sandeep Dongre sir, as they are very well versed in conducting both online and offline classes. So at last, I would like to thank all the members of Ashtanga Institution and also Dr. Sandeep Dongre sir and Vibha ma'am for conducting these courses very well. Thank you very much. Namaste.